This sterling silver wire-wrapped rose ring is a simple project but a perfect start to your jewellery making journey. Take your silver wire and wrap it around your ring stick twice. You can then remove it from the ring stick and begin to twist those two wires together. Try to create a really even twist in the wire and keep going until you have just the ends left, about 2 centimeters. You can then take your twisted wire and spiral it back on itself. Try to keep your spiral really neat and tidy and really close together. This spiral creates that rose shape. Once you've spiraled all of the twisted wire, take one end of the wire and then wrap it back round on the hoop. Repeat this on the other side with the other end of wire. You can use your pliers to really wrap around the hoop a tight, even coil. Use your side cutters just to cut away that excess wire. Push the cut wire ends in with pliers. This will also make sure that when you wear the ring, it's really smooth. This kind of project is really versatile, so you can use different lengths of wire and different thicknesses of wire to achieve a different look.